Do you always drive it in Corsa?
Yeah, always.
Always?
Manual.
Yeah.
That's why I love the manual thing.
Okay.
Aside maybe I drive highway for long.
Yeah.
I go to the what's that?
The Strada? Okay. More calm, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have a cruise control and I never use it.
No?
No.
I didn't even know these had cruise control.
No, they don't have one.
No?
No.
Oh man. But you're right, you can't hear it as much from in here.
Yeah, I know. The back very loud.
Yeah, it's very loud from back in the back. Even from the side it is.
What do you say?
I don't know.
This car have police detect whatever.
It's been reliable for you ever since?
When I bought it, 200 miles. Right now it's about 4,000 something.
I felt like you would have a lot more because I always see you driving it. You're always around the area though, right? You never go too far?
Is that very loud when you're on the back?
It's very loud. I even feel like my chest vibrating every time you do that.
Really?
Like from the repercussion, I guess?
I hear loud, but don't feel like.
Yeah. From in here, it's nothing compared to outside.
Pat is so mad, right?
Oh yeah. They're gonna be like, no, me too. You can see the flames with this mirror, right?
No.
No?
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, nighttime I see red. And this brake very good.
Oh yeah, very good. That one's a right-hand drive.
This one, anytime you shift it, hop it.
Every time?
Every time.
It's my favorite. Alright guys, so we just got a ride from Peter. That was one of the craziest things I've probably ever experienced. After basically us spending the whole day together, I was able to ride with him. Absolutely insane. My first time riding in an Aventador SVJ. I've ridden in an Aventador before, but yeah, absolutely insane. Golly. If y'all like this video, be sure that y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and I'll see y'all in the next one.